guys, it's nighttime, and you know, this is my place, this is my awesomeness. Talking to that dumb pirate. I finally fixed my robot. Yeah, I'll stand on him because I feel tall. Okay, so now we're gonna do the awesomeness. Yeah. Oh man, I hate when that happens. Boing! Okay, by the way, I got these new, I don't know what it's called, oh yeah, I am still moving, it's just that it's far away. I got these new bounce pads. Ew. Oh, that's convenient. Okay, so anyways, yeah, I think I got rid of the pirate. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come in? Wrong show again. Damn it. It's because it's very nighttime. So what you doing? Well, you drunk or something? Because you just fell. Yeah. So what are you doing? Well, making something. Making what? Fixing your robot again? Yeah. Woo! 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 What was that? Woo! Did you hear something? Yay! I didn't get hit. Oh, I got drunk. But I didn't get hit. What the heck? I fell! Help! Help me! Oh no! Oh, I'm crashing to the camera. I'm too fat, I can't help you. Grab my hand. Oh, save yourself. Tastes like crap under here. Wait. I can save you. Oh, beep. And I knew that was gonna happen. Well, it's up to me now. It smells like crap. Stay with me. I'm awake. It's just that I'm taking a nap. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna sit down. Okay, or lie down, you mean? Yeah. Oh, disgusting. Oh. 10 minutes later. Oh, that's disgusting. You pooped in my mouth. Oh, you're disgusting. You got some in my bucket. You want some? No, not destroyed. Okay, so what do we do? I don't know. Where's Megamind? He passed out. And so what do we do? I don't know. I had my mouth open. Oh, you. Oh, shoot. Never mind. What happened? What did I miss? Oh, sorry. What did I miss? You missed some awesomeness things. You want to know what I just noticed? What? You stupids had this camera horizontally. Now they won't be able to be reading it. Oh, sorry. Sorry, viewers. That was horrible, I know. So you know what? It'll be a happy day to see this. Stop farting on us! Execute the bird. Right away, sir. Iron Golem. Executed all of us. Oh yeah, kill the bird. I chopped his neck off. Well, see you later, guys. Bye.